In this illustration, we are going to study about the earthing of a system of spheres. Here, the figure shows three metal spheres fixed at vertices of an equilateral triangle of side 6A. Here, spheres B and C are given charges 2Q and Q, and A is uncharged. And it is saying if switch S1 is closed and then open, and then switch S2 is closed, we are required to find the final charges on shells A and C. Now in this situation, we know well that on connecting a metal body to earth, if it is small in size compared to earth, the final potential of body becomes 0, for which earth modifies the charges of the body. So here, if switch S1 is closed first, we can say earth will supply a charge QE1 to this spherical shell A, so that its final potential in total becomes equal to 0. So here I can write, after closing S1, if we write the potential of a spherical shell A, we can see due to the shell B, which is having a charge 2Q, the potential at the center of A will be K2Q by 6A. Plus, due to the spherical shell C, again as it is at a distance 6A from A, we can consider potential due to C on A is KQ by 6A. Here I am taking the result of a point charge because we are given to neglect any induction effect. So we can assume that the charge distribution is spherically symmetrical. And for a symmetrically uniformly charged sphere, we can assume that the charge is concentrated at its center. Now here, due to its own charge QE, the potential of A can be written as KQE by KQE1 by A. And this total potential should be equal to 0. If we simplify this equation here, K gets cancelled out, A gets cancelled out, and this will give us the value of QE1. On simplifying, we can take these two terms on the other side, so this will be minus Q, and this is 1 by 3 plus 1 by 6. The result will be minus Q by 2. There is one answer to this problem, that is charge on a spherical shell A after closing switch S1. It is saying now S1 is opened, so its charge will remain constant, and now S2 is closed. So in this situation, as shell C is connected to earth, its final potential due to all the charges must be equal to 0, for which say we assume earth has supplied a charge QE2 onto it. So we can write, after closing S2, we use potential of shell C as, due to this B, potential will be K2Q by 6A, minus due to the charge of A, which is minus Q by 2, the potential of shell C will be KQ by 2 by 6A, plus due to its own charge, which is modified by earth, it is K QE2 divided by 2A, and this should be equal to 0. So in this situation, if we simplify this equation here, again K gets cancelled out, A gets cancelled out, we get the value of QE2, which can now be given as minus 2Q, and inside we can take it, this is 1 by 3 minus this 1 by 12. So on simplifying, 1 by 3 minus 1 by 12 is 1 by 4. So this is also equal to minus Q by 2. That is the answer to the problem. So here we can say, as we execute the process given in the problem, first we close S1, then open it, then close S2. Then final charges on shells A and C attain, these shells A and C will attain will be minus Q by 2 and minus Q by 2.